Hi everybody, I'm Dr. David Reath and I'm here to talk about this week's Truth Meter Tuesday question. Well, it had to do with age and plastic surgery, and it sort of skirted around the issue of are you too old to have plastic surgery? Which is an interesting question. I get asked that a lot. But what we said was that if you're over age 65, you probably shouldn't have breast implants replaced. And I think for most people, the answer to that will be false for a number of reasons. First of all, if somebody is healthy and does not have any untreated health problems, plastic surgery, or any elective surgery for that matter, isn't really an issue of how old you are in terms of years, but how old you are physiologically. So that is to say that if you're healthy, you're probably good to have plastic surgery or other elective surgery regardless of your age. On the other hand, there are people who are in their 40s or 50s and have severe medical problems who should never consider any elective surgery. So for the first part of the answer, age is not really a consideration. Health is. The second part is whether or not someone at that time in their life should actually have the implants replaced. And I've had this discussion with a number of women who are exactly in that position. Frequently, we will decide to replace the implants because they have lived with that body for quite a while. The clothes fit her current chest size. She views herself in that regard. And if you have a ruptured implant and you're going to have to take it out, well, you're going to have surgery anyway. Why not just replace it while you're there? And it really helps people deal with this issue without having major changes in their body image, and just allows their life to go on normally. So that's the reason why I will frequently replace implants in somebody who's older, even though you might not think of them as somebody who would be coming in for initial consultation for that. So, a little bit of a long answer, but it's sort of an interesting question. Let's find out who this week's winner is. Liz Walden. Liz, congratulations. You're this week's winner. We have a $100 gift card for you, so please pick that up. For everyone else, we're going to have a little bit of a break from Truth Meter Tuesday. We're out of the office for the next 2 weeks. We'll have the question right after later.
Be young, be foolish, but be happy.